A body of an aged housewife was found hanging in her own house at the window grill on Thursday morning. Her name is Mayarani Devnath. Police rushed to the spot after they got the information of the incident. Incident occurred at Kadamtali area under Vishalgarh police station. Common people of Vishalgarh are shocked and worried with the incident where a body of an aged housewife was found hanging at her own home at Window Grill. Her name is Mayarani Devnath. Police rushed at the spot as soon as they got the information of the incident. Mayarani Devnath was said to be ill for the past 2 to 3 years. Villagers think that she might have committed suicide because of finding difficult to survive with her health problems.
কি নাম জানেন?
নাম মায়ারানি বয়স কত হইব জানেন?
বয়স 70-80।
আচ্ছা, তাই এমনিতে কি মানে কি করে বাকি
এমনি গুছাই আছে নিজে।
তাই হাজবেন্ড আছে?
আছে।
তাই কয় ছেলে কয় মেয়ে?
2 ছেলে 2 মেয়ে।
মানে কোন জায়গাতে ঘটনাটা হয়েছে?
এনে বাড়িতে।
ঘরে?
হ্যাঁ ঘরে।
আপনারা কোন সময় খবর পাইছেন?
আমরা সকালে খবর পাইছি।
মানে প্রথমে কে দেখতে পারছে?
ছেলের বউ।
ছেলের বউ।
এই জায়গার নাম কি জানেন?
কদমতলী।
পুলিশ আইছে?
আচ্ছা।
After the dead body was taken down, police sent the corpse to Vishalgarh Hospital for post-mortem. Common people of Vishalgarh area were shocked and terrified with the incident on Thursday, where 2 dead bodies were found on the same day. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.